Sprayers are used to apply agricultural chemicals and fertilizers on crops every day. Even though it's a common piece of equipment, the job of calibrating a sprayer is an involved process. When mistakes happen, either too much or too little chemical material is applied on a crop. The Mississippi State University Extension Service is close to releasing an app or computer program that will help farmers properly calibrate their sprayers. The app will run on Apple operating system devices such as the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It's being developed through a grant to the Extension Service from the Mississippi Soybean Promotion Board. Zach Ashmore reports.
When spraying soybean fields with herbicide or other chemicals, it is important that proper sprayer calibration is performed beforehand. This will ensure that the correct amount of chemical is applied to accomplish the intended task to keep costs low, and will prevent over-application of the pesticide. However, correct sprayer calibration is time-consuming. To help with this issue, the Mississippi State University Extension Services Center for Technology Outreach, with funding from MSPB checkoff dollars, is developing a smartphone application to aid farmers in the successful calibration of field sprayers.
Sprayer calibration is one of the primary miscalculations, I guess you might say, in farming operations. Oftentimes the sprayers are calibrated improperly, which results in either too much chemical going out or too little, either of which could be costly.
To learn more about field sprayers and how to successfully calibrate them, the Technology Outreach team was given a presentation by MSU Department of Plant and Soil Sciences professor Dr. Dan Reynolds.
This app will allow a producer to make the inputs and help them properly calibrate their piece of equipment. And so this will ensure that they're putting out the proper flow rate in terms of the equipment, putting out the right amount of water, and then it'll also help them put in the correct amount of chemical into the tank after the piece of equipment is properly calibrated.
The application is initially being developed for the iPhone and iPad, but plans are to eventually release a version for all smartphones. The application will be free for all farmers to download, so that maximum benefit will be realized.
The sprayer calibration has the potential to save money in putting out less chemical. It also has the potential to save and keep someone from potentially damaging their crop by putting too much out. So we're really excited to get started with this app from the Soybean Promotion Board.
Professor Dan Reynolds says the app should be available to farmers this fall. It will be a free download online from the iTunes Store. Reynolds says the next application in the works to help farmers is a plant population program. This forthcoming app will assist with the seeding rate for planters.